1 minute only. I want to say thank you again and all Belgium organization from the race, not only for the European Championship. We want to say thank you for all things that you promote the patting here in Belgium. I think it's very important to this task here in Belgium, and we are very happy. And we want to give you, the president of Sepasa Galerno, a pin of the fish of Aripap or patting for the in the Americana, yes. Plata pin,
I want to emphasize that although the organizing committee are Bernard, Herwig and me, but besides us three, more than 40 people have helped to organize this European Championship. And I want to thank them all for their voluntarity to have this European Championship. I think it's well done, and it's a real success.
Thank you.